Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what do we have for Leos. Okay. Okay, Nine of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Four of Wands, Six of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, the Moon, the Temperance, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords, followed by the Death, the Hangman, Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. See, let's see. It's becoming very tough somehow. I'm getting very tough energies with you, Leos. I really don't know what's happening with you, but definitely I would like to say it was very tough to pull out your cards this time. I don't know the reason, and so it was really very tough to pull out your cards this time. Things were just not coming, and now still the way the cards have played up with the Ten of Swords, I just didn't want to give a negative ending to the reading. So just to give that clarity, I pulled out other cards which again came out as the Death card, and then other cards were also not positive, so I've just pulled few more cards so that I don't want to leave you depressed in this birthday month of yours. Okay, so that is why I have pulled out a few cards. So just listen to the end, till the end. That's what I'm trying to say. So what are the messages for you? Okay. Guidance from the angels for Leos. So let's see how things flow. This is the third time I had to pull out your cards, Leos. Things were just not falling in place. It was a very weird type of feeling which I got while pulling your cards. Things were just not happening. So it can be that something like this is happening in your life also. Okay, because the way I had started my reading was I was pretty focused, I was okay, I was fine, and there was nothing wrong with me when I started pulling the card, but still things were just not happening. So maybe this is the energy with you, Leos, which is what is going on in your life. Perhaps it was your energy which I picked up. Perhaps things are just not happening in your life the way you want them to be, or the way things are just not falling in place, or perhaps things are not falling right for you, and maybe things are in a situation which are not giving you clear messages. Things are not very clear. You are not able to make a sort of you're not able to understand as to whatever is happening in your life. It can be that also. Okay, so you are not able to understand what is happening, and on one end things are okay. At one instance you feel things are okay, and at the other instance you feel things are not okay, and you just have to wind them up. and you just have to sort of stop everything whatever you are doing in your life. It can be that, it can be that energy, because exactly that's what was happening, and that is what I felt when I was pulling your cards. This is the third time I've pulled your cards, and still things are just were not falling into place, and I had to pull out extra cards for you. So what I am getting here is that maybe things are happening in that way in your life, that they are not giving you a sort of uh, uh, a clear picture as to what's happening in your life, and what you should understand as to what's happening. So it's sort of leaving you sort of frustrated, or sort of uh, you just want to, whatever you begin with, you just want to end it immediately. It's something like that. Okay, you are beginning it and you just don't feel, okay, it's not okay, and let's do it differently. Understand my point? It's something like that which is happening perhaps in your life, because that was not my energy at all. So maybe things are like that with you, that the moment you start, you don't feel you just take that first step, and immediately you end it and wrap it up. No, I'll do it this way. This way is not okay, I'll do it this way. Okay, that can be your the fact which is going on in your life. Okay, so now let's get to the reading, what the cards are saying. So what I am feeling here is that you have spent pretty good time with yourself, pretty good time enjoying the abundances and enjoying the luxuries basically of whatever whatever you are in a situation of enjoying. You are enjoying it, whatever the leisures are, you are enjoying it. That is what, and you are focusing on yourself, giving time to yourself. That is your energy that which you have been doing. Okay, and then after focusing and giving time to yourself, you decide to, which is obviously a very beautiful energy. Okay, so that's what you did perhaps in the past, because I think that this energy has already passed off. It's a, maybe it's a recent past, or a long a little behind that, that you have to see in your situation. But definitely there has been a time in which you have just given or enjoyed all the luxuries, given all that time to yourself, focused on yourself, and it was all about you. Okay, and then after you were ready to make a move, you decided to do that, and you are now in the perfect position to make that brand new beginning, or a brand new decision, whatever it is, or a move in a particular direction. Basically this time you have given to yourself to gather the resources, to gather the information, or sort of graduated yourself in some way, shape or form, that now you are ready. Okay, that's what you were making yourself ready for, whatever you wanted to do. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, that is the hibernation time, sort of you were giving to yourself. Okay, you were hibernating and preparing yourself for something you wanted to move towards. Okay, which you had a vision of. Okay, you knew, I want to do this, and you were preparing for that, and that preparation was not requiring that hard work which is supposed to be there. No, it was not requiring that. It was something which required a latent period, or a hibernating period, which perhaps required yourself to work on yourself, give time to yourself, or perhaps heal yourself from anything, or gain some sort of clarity. So that was a time which you gave to yourself before you are ready to make a move. And you have made a beautiful move in the form of the Four of Wands. You are victorious, you have a solid stable foundations. Perhaps it's a commitment for some of you, or whatever it is something, whatever you ventured on, you just got it. It's something like that. So it was the right approach. This is how you have proceeded already, and you have achieved whatever this foundation was for you. And over here with the Six of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, and with the Moon, what I see here is that after the situation, there was a situation in which you were trying to sort of balance whatever you had achieved. Okay, whatever this new thing was, you have achieved that stability, and now perhaps you are working on it. You are sort of balancing it, giving and taking whatever is supposed to be done. You are doing that. So you are putting in the work, whatever is required to whatever is required for this foundation which you have achieved. Okay, so you have now started working on that, and it's sort of that people are looking up to you. You have raised yourself up to that pedestal. The people are coming for you for advices, or whatever it is. But definitely it is something, in some way, shape or form, you have sort of gained that public admiration, or that whatever it is. But you are, again, with the Temperance here, you are still balancing things, and with the Moon, there is a situation in which things are not very clear to you. Okay, there is a situation in which things are not very clear. You really don't know what's going to happen, whatever the situation is. But there, definitely, there is a situation in which you really don't know how to move forward, and you just follow your instincts, do what your inner voice has to say. And with the Temperance, the Queen of Pentacles, and with the Ten of Swords, which were the first three cards which came out, ideally I pull out three cards over here. So I would first like to read them. So with the Temperance, the Queen of Pentacles, and with the Ten of Swords, what I see is you are trying to balance something, or trying to because there is something definitely which is unknown to you with the Moon card. You really don't know what to do, so you are just following your instincts. The advice here is go slow. You are doing that beautifully with the Temperance over here. You are trying to balance the situation, whatever this situation is for you. But with the Queen of Pentacles, again, with the Queen of Pentacles here, you are again taking time alone. You're reflecting upon something. Now, what I feel is this something is perhaps whatever you have built upon over here, and there is some situation which is at the back of your mind which you need to think about, or analyze, or whatever it is. That is what you are doing. But with the Ten of Swords, what I feel here is that there is something which is hurting you. It is not working out the way you think it to be, or perhaps this is the feeling which you are getting, as if you've been backstabbed, as if you've been hurt, or whatever it is. So this is the thing which is happening in this situation, though you are trying to balance this situation. Okay, whatever this is, but there is definitely a situation in your life which you are trying to sort it out and balance, and you are feeling as if you've been knocked down by someone and betrayed, sort of, and you are really hurt. But after this, we have the Death and the Hangman. Death card is very common in these readings. I don't know why this time. So with the Death card, with the Ten of Swords here, followed by the Death card and the Hangman, what I feel here is this situation is ending. And once that situation ending, there is a period which you are giving to yourself, either voluntarily or it is happening. But there is a time when you are sort of stuck in a situation, or you choose to be like that because you want to take that time to have a clearer perspective on the situation. So it is not that you are just, it is just stagnant for no reason. You are trying to have a clearer perspective. You are trying to perhaps maybe it is your voluntary decision that you don't want to make an action immediately. So basically you're not making a move. Whatever it was, it has ended. You want to just take it slow, try to think about it. It's something like that. But there is a phase over here which is coming in, which will be a phase of no action, sort of. Okay, and here with the Seven of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, and with the Ace of Wands, there is definitely you're wondering about. So whatever this reason was which has caused this Ten of Swords pain to you, though this situation has ended and you are trying to gain a clearer perspective on this situation, as to you are just not making any action on this. And here with the Seven of Pentacles, you are again just wondering as to why it happened, what went wrong, as to why this situation happened, something like that. And with the Eight of Swords, again that thing is coming up, which this card came up in when I pulled the cards for you previously, also in twice. So definitely there is something which is stopping you from moving forward. Okay, and this is because of this situation only, because now you are reluctant, you are wondering, should I move forward or not, and there is a reluctance in moving forward. Okay, but here with the Ace of Wands, that is why I pulled out extra cards, because I just wanted to give you a beautiful ending to this reading, at least in your birthday month, that whatever this situation is, it will be over. And with the Ace of Wands, you will have a fresh new beginning. There will be a new beginning which you will be sort of passionate about. You would like to pursue it, and you will be able to come out of this Eight of Swords energy, and you will be able to decide as to, yeah, this is my ray of hope, and I can move positively in this direction, whatever that direction will be, whatever that message will be, in whatever way it will be shown to you by the universe. With the Three of Diamonds over here, definitely here, just see, there is again obviously a situation in which people are admiring you. You have definitely stepped up. You have definitely stepped up. It's not that you have not stepped up. You have stepped up. So whatever this achievement was, maybe something has went wrong somewhere. or maybe this is some other aspect of your life, but there is something which is definitely unknown to you, though other things are pretty good. Number 14 or number 5 may be of some significance for you. There is strength in diversity. By blending the ideas of other people with your own, you can often come up with a solution that is magnificent. Start by focusing on the aspects that everyone agrees upon and then open your mind to compromise and working together. Stay balanced and seek out a moderate approach, a win-win solution. So basically, perhaps this is the guidance for you. After whatever this ends, and when you are just wondering as to what to do, what not to do, and there is a reluctancy in moving forward, this Ace of Wands is there, which is a new beginning. And in this situation, this is your guidance from the universe. Just take an advice from whosoever you trust, whosoever your friends are, your relatives are, your family, whosoever you feel like, and then just think upon, come to a, and if it is a workplace, then perhaps you need to discuss this solution, discuss by this with others, so that you are able to understand as to what is actually happening and what decision should be actually taken. Okay, so this is coming as a guidance for you, Leos. I just hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.